DIY sunflower, level 1. Start by creating 3 cm segments of wire. Angle each segment slightly away from each other. Continue until you have 8 lines radiating from the center. You can make more if you want more petals. Orient each segment in the 8 directions, or space them as evenly as you can. I ran out of wire here, so for the last segment, I used the starting end of the wire, folding the excess at the center and to the back. With new wire in hand, lock the wire nearest to the base of the center of your flower. Coming from the back, fold over and wrap around the center of your petal segments. Here I am going around clockwise. Wrap tightly to better secure the petals and form a solid floral disc. Go around the center about 2 to 3 times, or as many as you would prefer. I had originally planned to go around thrice, but noticing the length of the petals, twice around seemed enough. Once done encircling the center, thread the leading wire under and through to the back. Open the petals slightly and then flatten to give it a more oblong shape. Here you could see me struggling, so you could use tweezers or a tool to pry open the petals easier. Once done, curve the petals to give the floral disc some depth. You can stop at this point for a basic flower. Or you can double the petals by folding it under and slightly to the side. Make sure your folded portions are still visible from the top. Spread the petals evenly. Now we have 16 petals. Do the same as before and shape the petals. Press down the floral disc. Check your work and make any adjustments. With the remaining wires, wrap it around the stem of your sunflower. You can use the excess wire to make it a ring, or flatten the flower and stem to make a bookmark. In my case, added a simple leaf to complete the look. Or alternately, you can make a leaf if your excess wire is enough. Continue wrapping around the stem to give it some strength. You can now appreciate your own tiny DIY sunflower. Have fun. Thanks for watching.